There he is.
There it is, right there.
Waiting for you.
Woo! Yeah, Daniel.
There we go.
Right?
Yep.
Let's go!
Oh, sorry about that. Fuck.
Give me a second, I'll be right back.
I bit? Oh.
You're good.
I didn't even know I was bit. Gaff right here. Got me, Matt?
Every day, anything on here, Jeff right here.
You got it. You get the one on the ice rod?
Yeah, he landed it. There it is. Good stick.
Ow.
You're coming this way?
Up and over.
Oh, sh
Helmet.
oh.
The short bus.
Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, free gap him. Oh, you touched him. Dude, that was a big one too.
I saw from over here.
Dude, you touched him.
I saw him right over here.
Oh my god. Yeah.
See if they'll eat it right here.
So fun. Oh, it's gone. Whoa! Oh my god.
You scared my fish, homie. You made my fish go the other way. My fish is like absolutely.
Woo!
Put my bait out.
We're killers.
Oh, I got it again. We need gas.
Oh, dude, every time you do it, bro.
Put your rod down. Thanks.
On the first try.
Hey, no, get it.
Get a bite for me. Come on.
Oh, no, man, he had it.
We just stay bit.
Oh, dude. This is as good as it gets.
Look how lit up this one is.
Yeah, right? Dude, even the dead ones are getting bit.
Wait for gas. Overkill. Coming over your way here.
You're good.
Hey, can you find the hook in that or no?
Hey, Shannon. Smell for me. Yee! Oh. This one wants to stay down. This one did not like the idea of dying.
The real thing.
There it is. Oh no! I was in free spool, I'm good.
Oh, sorry, I stepped on somebody.
Wow. There's a biter. God damn it. Oh my God, look at them all. Oh, look at them all right here.
17.
There it is. Oh, it's a nice one. This is a real bull.
Yeah?
Yeah. Woo!
You got a big one?
Yeah, it's a nice bull. Like, super squared head. Get bit for me, dude. It's super instant right now. Yo. Yeah. Just tell the captain. Oh my God, look at him explode on the barrier. Holy crap. I can't tell if I'm over or under you. I'm over you. Oh! Dude, this is the most insane fishing ever. Oh! He used the fucking swell as a ramp. Did you see that shit? Dude, he just jumped it like it was a kicker. Dude, that was awesome.
That's just like
It surfed the swell and launched out of it.
I'm glad we found our own.
Oh yeah, me too, dude. Turn this way, little guy. Big guy, I mean. Yeah, some of them don't.
Oh, like, dude, bite the gaff.
Oh, shit. Jesus. There's free swimmers? Where? I haven't seen any free swimmers.
Money back, I haven't seen him.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Turn this way, turn this way, turn this. Are we still clear? Okay, cool.
Oh, me.
Yeah. Oh, he's like, take me back to ship services.
Come on.
And you gotta say, excuse me, sir.
Come on, turn your head, motherfucker. Oh, God damn it.
Coming down the other way, guys. Coming down the other way.
Oh shit, where are we? I'm over here.
Right.
It's coming up. Oh! One last jump for me, thank you.
Still under you.
And Tanner's about to get a gaff right here. Woo! Yeah, Tanner. This one's right here instead. I'm coming up.
Jesus Christ.
God damn it.
Right.
Yeah, this one does not want to give up.
That's a beautiful dorado.
And I thought you were riding the fish.
Oh, you hit the f***ing popper. That was ridiculous.
Walk up here,
That was on the popper? Yeah, dude.
You saw that one?
Yeah.
That did not suck.
Yes. Yeah, that's definitely my PB right there. Hell yeah, thanks, man.
No way.
I love getting f***ed by Dorados. Oh, on the retrieve! On the freaking retrieve, yeah.
No, don't play this song right now.
Oh! Are we wrapped? Are we clear? I'm under you. I'm ready for gaff right here.
Yeah, fourth corner.
Yes. Oh! Oh, he's a dolphin! That's why they're called dolphin. Dolphin fish.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Big one's neck in the back to back.
That's not a Dorado.
Yeah, dude.
Holy shit.
My first yellowfin.
That's your first yellowfin? Oh my god, dude, that's a monster first yellowfin. You better eat that hard, dude. Holy crap.
He has to keep eating, yeah. So you stay in that hook, bro?
Woo! Hell yeah, Jeff. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, that's a monster.
Yeah, hold that thing up on the gill,
Dude, it's
bro.
super lit up. That is a slob. You.
Hey, hold it out. Hey, make it look bigger.
Update, it is 9:30. And it's biting. Got a slob yellowfin. David's got a nice Dorado right here. You! Logan's probably gonna get bit just now. Oh, Joe's got a biter for me. Jared's on another one coming down. Daniel, thank you for putting this together. Whacking him. Whacking him.
Whacking him.
Is Oscar up here on the stubby? Yeah. Oh! Oscar's got one on this little 4-foot rod. Oh my god, it is biting. This is a once in a lifetime Dorado trip right here. Dude, I feel like you'd be kicking this thing's ass with that little stubby. You hooked just the right one that wants to fight?
Yeah, right?
Look at that. Oh my god, look at him fucking foam right here. Yeah, it's dude, crazy. Joe's pops finally came out here with us to get in on the action.
That's a bite.
Got an honorary new dirty hooker to the member right here.
Let me get on this side.
Yeah. Big circle, big circle. Oh, it's right here. Dude, big bull. Nice bull. Oh, there you go.
Sorry.
Did I catch that?
You caught that.
Who has pliers? You got pliers?
This is a big Daniel. I think this is a big dodo.
Oh.
Alright.
Fuck my arm. There you go. Number one.
We're marking them as you drop them, right? I'm on a mark.
Take a bit. Yeah, there it is.
Oh my god, look at that, dude.
Look at him go.
Oh my god. How sick is that?
Hi, Ray.
Hey, dude. Oh, look at him go!
I'm glad I got that.
Just slid past you, Daniel.
I know. Hey, who did I get my hooks to? Oh, your bag. God damn it, man. Behind it. Coming through. Jesus Christ, dude.
There he is.
Do his last little roll.
Yeah, why not?
He's dead, dude.
Come on. This is ridiculous.
There he is. He's laid out like a pancake. What is it? Nice Dorado.
Oh!
Ice rod handoff. Matt's like, thank God I don't want to do that again.
What are you gonna do now? You gonna break it off or what? Yeah, dude.
Come down.
Come up.
16
Limit's 10?
Yeah, what is that, right?
Dorado.
I'm gonna get it on the iron. Keep fishing, guys. Keep fishing.
There it is.
Wide open.
Ew.
Biting. Starting to slow, baby. Kill me. What's going on, Ray? Huh? What's going on? Gaff right here, baby. Biting. Get a picture.
I think we're leaving them biting. Called in the homies on the Relentless. Take over. Oh, gorgeous picture going on right here. Come on, guys, get bit!
Bite
Oh, fresh one!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Logan's on another one. Shannon f***ed him up. A bit. Yeah? Dude, go to the back. They're foaming.
Are they?
Yeah, and we're about to drive away, so.
Really?
Yeah. You guys getting 2 gaffs on this one?
It's a gaff battle.
It's a gaff battle.
Dude, that's a big one. Oh, here you guys go. Here you guys go. Who's got it?
Who's got it?
Who's got it?
He's gonna choke it.
Oh! One last jump for us. Hell yeah.
Who's gonna get a gaff?
Oh, he swerved you! He swerved you!
He's gonna make it through without a kiss.
I got the cameraman penalty.
Why is he not fighting? Who's gonna stick it?
Oh! Dude, get a picture of that. All right, so 9:50. We called in the Relentless to take over. We're leaving them biting. It freaking bit. As wide as it gets. That thing is stuck. US limits, baby. Ew! Crew on the Pride, hard at work. I'd say a bit. Tanner got his first Dorado. Cheers, buddy. You. Cheers. Cheers. Here, give that one to your dad. Yeah. Cheers, guys. Freaking epic fishing. You.
Fucking crazy. Oh! They're chasing us. Ridiculous. Oh! Daniel! Let's go, come on! Like I knew it. We're gonna slap Jeff with the Dorado. One of his own, at least.